Good morning, everybody. I'm going out here this morning to prepare ourselves for getting the goats. They are coming tomorrow afternoon, and I got to thinking, the original idea was to get one of the big round spools to use. And then we had the idea of maybe just cut a tree down and use a log. Well, we decided something different, or I decided something different. I'm going to build a small platform, 4x4, 3 foot off the ground, with a little step going up to it. So yesterday, seeing as how our county is one of the only counties in Missouri that has none of this thing that's going around, I went ahead and went to the lumber yard yesterday in our county. I picked up enough lumber to do this, plus another bench on the inside of the goat patio right over there. It'll be going along the wall area. That way, if it's raining out, they can get up on something and play, whatever. But anyway, so that's a story. First thing I'm going to do is frame in a 4x4 area and build the platform just using deck wood to do it all. And then we're going to set it out there, and then I'll build the little step to it. And I got to get this done today because tonight and tomorrow they're talking rain. So anyway, let's go over and look at the chickens real quick. They are getting big. It should be about, I think October, and they'll start producing some eggs. Not that we're hurting for eggs, because we get plenty from the chickens I take care of. There's not many out this morning. It's pretty chilly. It's like I'd say upper 40s. There's a couple of them out over there. Oh, look there. One's looking out the door. There. Anyway, I throw down scratch every morning. They absolutely love it. They run out to get it every morning, and I totally enjoy watching them. I really do. Anyway, that's going to be it for a few minutes. I'm going to clean out the back of the gator, get my tools set up, and this is just going to be a short video, so hang on to your shorts. Hey guys, I've already got some lumber cut. I decided I'm going to make the platform 4 foot off the ground and the step up area 2 foot off the ground. So what I've got to do now is frame in my 4x4 square for the top, and I've got that cut already. I've got the post cut. I'm going to start putting stuff together. So here we go. Okay guys, what I ended up doing, I really didn't like the height of it, so I took and turned it over and cut off a foot on each one. Now it's 3 foot tall. That seems like it's a better height to me, especially if you got young goats. and I'm going to build a step down here. Right now though, I want to go ahead and take some deck boards over and cut them 50 inches because it's 48 inches across, and I want to cut 50-inch boards, so I'll have an inch on each side hanging over. So, and I got 10-foot boards, so I'm in good shape. I'm going to make this straight with the fence. Hopefully it looks pretty good when I'm done. Okay guys, this is all complete. Now the goats can come out in the sun, play around on this while they're young, lay in the sun on the sun deck. Anyway, it'll give us a place to sit too when we come out here and are messing with them and wanting to pet them. So anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a wonderful week and are blessed, and as always, we'll catch you later.